work just got an open canvas. At the office or remote from home, now you're free to create. That's because the Freestyle Whiteboard is set up to impress. So go with the flow and share those great ideas. Snap video clips, pull from social, and forward annotations that convey your ideas with style. Drag and drop till your heart's desire. Brainstorm and express yourself on the fly. Solve problems like a whiz, using Blackboard features that keep your ideas moving in the right direction. Feel the magic unfold as your project stays on track by mirroring or casting from multiple devices. And turn aha moments into major group wins with Freestyle's state-of-the-art 48-megapixel camera quality. See your imagination in full color with Freestyle's 4K screen. And share presentations instantly with the power of QR codes. Keep the momentum going and collaborate using your favorite apps: Zoom, Teams, Google Docs, and more. Customize your experience and get inspired to take meetings to a whole new level with the Freestyle All-in-One Whiteboard. Imagine the possibilities. Create pretty much anywhere. Freestyle is for the classroom, creative agencies, interior design firms, universities, or corporate environments and hybrid teams. You are free to do as you wish. Get more done with Freestyle.